by fixing VGS. In this video we are going to see biasing by fixing VG. Here we have a circuit. This is a single polarity supply because we have one power supply and the other end is connected to the ground. Okay, and this is called degenerative resistance because we have this feedback resistance. It's a negative feedback, so that's why we call this one a degenerative resistance. Here what we do is we keep the VG constant, and due to temperature changes the ID will vary. Due to that the VGS will decrease. Okay, now let's put it in an equation. So here we are looking at the inside of it. Here we can create KVL. If you apply KVL, this VG minus VGS times the current through this is ID current flowing through this one as well. So ID times RS. Okay, VG minus VG minus VGS minus ID times RS should be equal to 0. That's a KVL. So if you apply KVL inside of this loop, inside, that is going to be just, we can say, input side. KVL input side. Input side is this, output side is this. VG minus VGS minus ID times RS is equal to 0. Therefore VG will become VGS plus ID times RS. Let's call this one equation number 1. And here what we do is we keep the VG fixed, and the ID current is going to be varying due to temperature changes, and the VGS value will decrease. Okay, so what happening here is VGS decreases, input decreases, so the ID current also decreases. Okay, that is this. And here since VGS is decreasing, VGS is much larger than VGS, so due to the drop in VGS, it is negligible. So we can take ID as a constant. So ID will be just VG over RS. Okay, because think about putting a 0 instead of VGS, you get ID is equal to VG over RS. Okay, so that is ID. Now let's look at another situation, that is, so this is the first situation. This is first. Let's look at another situation. There can be a situation we can make VG that is not greater than VG is not greater than VGS. Then the drop VGS is not negligible anymore. And then RS provide negative feedback. and it will stabilize the value ID. Okay, and here we have three practical example of this biasing by fixing VG. One is by doing the single power supply, this VDD, and other side is connected to the ground, and dual power supply. You see one side positive terminal is connected with VDD, negative terminal is connected with another source VSS, and the third one is coupling of signal source amplifier. Here we are using a capacitor. This one is to just remove the DC signals, and here also same thing. And this is the three practical examples. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you guys on my next video.